In order to use Google Earth to figure out food miles, we can search for a destination. For example, if our food comes from the San Fernando Valley, I can search and find the San Fernando Valley on Google Earth. At this point, I can use the Measure Distance and Area tool to determine how far the San Fernando Valley is from our destination, and we are in Chicago, for example. Now, this gives us a length in kilometers, but I'd like it to be in miles, and this information can go on my spreadsheet. If I have food that comes from overseas, let's say Argentina, I have a choice to make. Does this food get flown to Chicago? If it does, then I'm going to start at the country and I'm going to fly to Chicago in a straight line. And this number will go into my data table. But if I can, I would choose to send my food by sea. In order to do this, I'm going to start my measurement on the coast of whatever country I'm at, and I'm going to start a route by sea to bring my product into the United States. Now, there are a couple very large ports in the United States. Miami, in this case, is one of them. At this point, I can record this information on my data table. The other ports are New Orleans, New York, Miami, Oakland, and Seattle. Once I've made it to Miami, I can shift the style of transportation. And now I can measure from Miami to Chicago. This would be done with a semi-trailer within the United States. So I can record this information on my data table.